Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect human body joints in native iOS application using the vision framework. Now firstly you will have to run this application on a real device. You can't run it on a simulator, and what I'm doing is that I'm just displaying an image inside an image view. Once the image has been detected, like our vision framework is able to detect the body parts, it will draw this joint. So here you can see I'm able to draw this red color joints on the joints which have been detected on the human body. So I will show you few other outputs as well. So here I think I have image 2 as well. I'll just quickly run this. Okay, so here there are a lot of people, so hopefully you will get a better picture about this. Anytime now. So here you can see there are a lot of peoples, and now it has able to draw the proper joints on each and every person. So let's see how to do this. So first, as you can see, I have created a UI kit application using Xcode for iOS, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then inside the assets folder I have taken two images, so these are my two images. Then inside our view controller I have just imported vision. I have created our UI image view. Here we are initializing it. Then I am adding our image view to our parent view. I have set some NS layout constraints as well. Then here I am just calling detect human body pose and passing our UI image to it. Then we convert our UI image to a CG image. Then we just run vn detect human body pose request. We get a bunch of results. Then if there are any results, we just pass it to our draw joint methods. We also create this vn image request handler, pass our CG image to it, and this we run on a background thread, so it performs the operation for us. Now coming back to drawing the joint body parts, now even I'm not really good at this. I have copy pasted this code from documentation, so I'll just simply scroll through this. You can copy paste the same, but yeah, I'll just minimize this as well so that you guys have a better picture. So this is how you can do all this stuff. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.